Good evening, teacher, and hello, everyone. Good evening, Tere.
Yes, good evening, Saya.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, nice to meet you too.
Before the talking about the topic today, I would like to introduce myself to you first. My name is Sia. You can call me Sia. I'm 16 years old, and I was born in 2009. Nowadays, I live with my family in Angkrong Village, Bang Preh Commune, Bang Phnom District, and Preveng Province. I study public school at Bang Preh High School. However, I study English at Thapna International School in ESL level 5A. You know, I have been learning English here since 2017. And how about you?
Thank you so much for telling me about your personal background in detail. Let me introduce myself. My name is Chun Sathira. You can call me Thira. I am 16 years old and I was born in 2008. I live with my family in Ongkrong Village, Bang Preh Commune, Bang Phnom District, and Preveng Province. I study public school at Bang Preh High School. You know, I study English at Thapna International School in ESL level 5. You know, what topic should we mention to talk about today?
Today, I would like to mention one interesting topic, which is about the geographies of Cambodia. Do you agree with me?
Yes, it's okay. That's a good idea. Let's start your question, please.
Okay, right now I'm going to start my question. What is name of your country?
The name of my country is Cambodia.
How do we officially call Cambodia?
Cambodia, officially called the Kingdom of Cambodia.
Where is Cambodia?
Cambodia is in Asia continent.
How many square kilometer is Cambodia?
Cambodia is a country in mainland Southeast Asia. It has a total area of 181,035 square kilometers.
What are the population of Cambodia?
Cambodia is estimated about 17 million people in Cambodia.
How many provinces are there in Cambodia?
There are 24 provinces and one capital city, such as ព្រះវិហារ ស្ទឹងត្រែង រតនគិរី មណ្ឌលគិរី ក្រចេះ ត្បូងឃ្មុំ ស្វាយរៀង ព្រៃវែង កណ្ដាល តាកែវ កំពត កែប ប្រសេះអនុ កោះកុង ពោធិ៍សាត់ បាត់ដំបង ប៉ៃលិន បន្ទាយមានជ័យ ឧត្តរមានជ័យ សៀមរាប កំពង់ធំ កំពង់ឆ្នាំង កំពង់ចាម កំពង់ស្ពឺ and ភ្នំពេញ
How many Cambodian provinces are there on the Vietnam border?
There are 3 Cambodian provinces on the There are 9 Cambodian provinces on the Vietnamese border, such as រតនគិរី មណ្ឌលគិរី ក្រចេះ ត្បូងឃ្មុំ ស្វាយរៀង ព្រៃវែង កណ្ដាល and កំពត
Which country border Cambodia?
Cambodia borders 3 countries, such as Vietnam on the east, Thailand on the west and northwest, and Laos on the north, and the Gulf of Thailand on the southwest.
How many Cambodian provinces are there on the Thailand border?
There are 1 Cambodian provinces that border Thailand. Koh Kong, Sihanouk View, such as Koh Kong, Poth Sat, Bat Nong Bong, Pai Lin, Banteay Mean Chey, andព្រះវិហារ
How many Cambodian provinces are there on the Laos borders?
There are 3 Cambodian provinces on the Laos border, រតនគិរី ស្ទឹងត្រែង and ព្រះវិហារ
How many Cambodian provinces are near the Gulf of Thailand?
There are 4 provinces near the Gulf of Thailand, Koh Kong, Sihanouk View, Kampot, and Kaip.
Which province are adjacent to the Tonle Sap Lake?
There are 5 Cambodian provinces that are adjacent to the Tonle Sap Lake, Bat Nong Bong, Siem Reap, Kompong Thom, Kompong Chnang, and Poth Sat.
What animal and plants are symbol the kingdom of Cambodia?
Animals and plants that symbolize the 7 kingdom of Cambodia, such as wild ox, royal turtle, carp, throat, palm tree, rumdo flower, and banana age.
Which is the biggest province in Cambodia?
The biggest province in Cambodia is Mondulkiri province.
Which is the smallest province in Cambodia?
Kaip is the smallest province in Cambodia.
Which province has the largest population in Cambodia?
Kampong Cham has the largest population in Cambodia.
Which province is in the middle of Cambodia?
Kampong Thom is in the center of Cambodia.
Which is the oldest province in Cambodia?
The oldest province in Cambodia is Takeo province.
What is the capital city of Cambodia?
Phnom Penh is the capital city of Cambodia. Which is the largest lake in Cambodia?
The Great Lake or Tonle Sap Lake is the largest lake in Cambodia.
Which is the longest river in Cambodia?
Mekong River is the longest river in Cambodia.
Which country does the Mekong River flow through?
Mekong River flows through China, Myanmar, Vietnam, Thailand, and Cambodia.
How long is Mekong River flowing through Cambodia?
Mekong River flows through Cambodia about 500 kilometers.
Which provinces of the Mekong River flow through Cambodia?
Mekong River flows through Stung Treng, Krache, Kampong Cham, Kanna, and Preveng province.
Which is the highest mountain in Cambodia?
The highest mountain in Cambodia is Ara Mountain.
How high is Mount Ora?
The Mount Ara or Phnom Ara is 1,813 meter high from the sea level.
Where is Chiso Mountain Temple?
Phnom Chiso Temple is a 133 meter high mountain in Takao province of Cambodia.
Which is the longest bridge in Cambodia?
The longest bridge in Cambodia is Subasa Bridge.
Where is Angkor Wat Temple?
Angkor Wat Temple is in Siem Reap province.
Who was the great builder king of Angkor Wat Temple?
Surya Varaman II was a Khmer king from 1130 AD to 1145 AD. The great builder of Angkor Wat Temple, the largest religious monument in the world.
Where is Sambor Prekop Temple?
Sambor Prekop Temple is an archaeology site in Cambodia located in Kampong Thom province. The 30 kilometer north of Kampong Thom, the province called capital.
Which is the biggest island in Cambodia?
Koh Kong Krang is the biggest island in Cambodia.
How big is Koh Kong Krang?
Koh Kong Krang is the country's first like island with a total area about 103 square kilometers, 7 kilometers wide, about 22 kilometers long, and is also the highest island on the Gulf of Thailand, and an altitude 418 meters from the water levels.
How many islands are there in Sihanoukville?
Sihanoukville has a total about 22 islands, 19 of which are invented by 23 private companies.
In which province has 3 cities?
Kanam province has 3 cities such as Takma, Garai-Kasat, and Sampaupuan City.
Where is Bogor Mountain located?
Bogor Mountain is located in the west of Kampot province in southern of Cambodia.
Where is Phnom Kulen National Park?
Phnom Kulen National Park is a national park in Cambodia located in Phnom Kulen Mountain Massif in Siem Reap province.
In which province is Yatlom Lake located?
Yatlom Lake is a volcanic crater lake and a tourist destination that located in Ban Long municipality, Ratanakiri province.
Where is Busra Waterfall?
Busra Waterfall is located in Pechandak district, about 43 kilometers northeast of Mondokiri town, Simanorum city.
What temples are the most popular and famous in Siem Reap province?
There are 10 temples which are the most popular in Siem Reap province.
What are they?
There are Angkor Wat Temple, Angkor Thom Temple, Bayon Temple, Taprom Temple, Bapun Temple, Prakhan Temple, Bakhai Hiep, Bantiai Srai Temple, Kake Temple, and Terrace of the Elephant.
What is Angkor Wat Temple and why it is famous?
Angkor Wat Temple is the largest architectural and religious monument in the world.
What is our Cambodian climate like?
Cambodian's climate is the tropical, the monsoon hot and wet.
Let's talk about the monsoon regime in Cambodia.
Dry monsoon November to April, dry winds northeast to the southeast, and rainy monsoon May to October, wet winds from northeast to the southeast. These are all about the geography. Thanks for your time and your attention. Thank you.